Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to open a Fiverr seller account. So we are now on the home page of Fiverr. Just click on join here and input your email and you will see this, and just click on create my account. After that, you'll pick this one. Since you're gonna open a seller account, click on selling freelance services right here. Go next, and what type of freelancer are you? Let's just say solo freelancer. And what's your freelancing experience? Click on anything that applies to you. After that, complete your seller profile. Click on that. And you'll be redirected here. And just click on become a seller. Click on continue. Continue again. And fill out all these options. Your first and last name. Your display name. Profile picture, and a brief description about your work experience, your projects, and your languages right here, and your proficiency level or language level. How proficient are you in that language, like that? And after that, you want to go click on continue, and you'll be redirected here on the second and third section. And after all that, you can now access your Fiverr seller account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.